Welcome to the Chronicles of Asia channel. Know this before migrating to the UK, the US, or Canada. Immigration is a significant issue in many countries, including Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. Each country has its own unique set of immigration challenges and concerns. There are several reasons why many Indians and other South Asians like Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Nepalese, and Sri Lankans are migrating out of the subcontinent and Filipinos out of the Philippines. Here are some of the most significant factors. Economic opportunities. Many South Asians and Southeast Asians are attracted to foreign countries with better economic prospects, job security, and higher salaries. The United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom are popular destinations. Lack of job opportunities. Asia's growing population can lead to unemployment and underemployment. Many young Asians are forced to migrate in search of better job opportunities. Cultural and educational aspirations. Some Asians migrate for education or to pursue higher education abroad, while others may be attracted to foreign cultures, lifestyles, or career opportunities. Family reunification. Many Asians migrate to join their family members who have already settled abroad, often due to family ties, marriage, or inheritance. Political instability and corruption. In some parts of the Indian subcontinent, political instability, corruption, and social unrest drive individuals to seek better opportunities elsewhere. Environmental concerns. Climate change, natural disasters, and pollution can make some parts of South Asia less attractive to live in, leading individuals to migrate in search for a better environment. Healthcare. South Asia's healthcare system at large is often criticized for its inefficiencies and lack of resources, leading some individuals to seek medical treatment abroad. Security concerns. In some cases, individuals may migrate due to security concerns in South Asia, such as terrorism, gang violence, or organized crime. Diversity and inclusivity. Many South Asians may migrate to countries with more inclusive and diverse societies, where they can feel more accepted and valued for their cultural background. Technology and remote work. The rise of remote work and digital communication has made it easier for South Asians to work from anywhere in the world, allowing them to migrate for personal or professional reasons. Some of the most popular destinations for South Asian and Southeast Asian migrants include United States, particularly the East Coast and West Coast; Canada, Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal; United Kingdom, London, Manchester, and Birmingham; Australia, Sydney, Melbourne, and Perth; Singapore, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, in Dubai, Abu Dhabi; Qatar, Germany, and New Zealand. It's essential to note that many Asians also choose to stay in their own country due to various factors such as family ties, cultural heritage, or personal preferences. Migration issues in Canada. Refugee resettlement. Canada has committed to resettling many refugees, but there have been concerns about the processing time and capacity. Rural-urban divide. Many rural areas in Canada struggle with labor shortages, while urban areas face issues related to housing and affordability. Skilled worker shortage. Canada faces a shortage of skilled workers in certain industries, such as technology and healthcare. Anti-immigration sentiment. As with many other countries, there are anti-immigration sentiments in Canada, particularly among some politicians and media outlets. Backlog and processing times. Canada has faced a significant backlog in processing immigration applications, leading to delays and uncertainty for many applicants. Immigration levels. The Canadian government has set ambitious targets for immigration levels, which has sparked debate about the economic and social impacts of increased immigration. Temporary foreign workers. The Temporary Foreign Worker Program has been criticized for its lack of transparency and potential exploitation of workers. Indigenous reconciliation. Canada has faced criticism for its treatment of Indigenous peoples, including issues related to immigration and refugee resettlement. Migration issues in the United States. Immigration reform. The U.S. has struggled to pass comprehensive immigration reform, leaving millions of undocumented immigrants in limbo. Border security. The U.S.-Mexico border remains a contentious issue, with concerns about border security and illegal immigration. Family reunification. The U.S. has strict family reunification rules, making it difficult for some immigrants to bring their families to the country. H-1B visa controversy. The H-1B visa program allows companies to hire foreign workers in specialty occupations and has been criticized for favoring big tech companies and driving down wages for U.S. workers. Anti-immigrant rhetoric. The anti-immigrant rhetoric has been on the rise in the U.S., particularly among some politicians and media outlets. The migration issues in the United Kingdom. Brexit and immigration. The UK's decision to leave the EU has created uncertainty around immigration policies and the status of EU citizens living in the UK. Asylum seeker crisis. The UK has faced a significant influx of asylum seekers, particularly from Afghanistan and Iraq, leading to concerns about capacity and resources. Immigration detention. The UK has faced criticism for its use of immigration detention centers with allegations of mistreatment and abuse. Net migration target. The UK government has set a target to reduce net migration to the tens of thousands, which has been criticized for being overly ambitious and difficult to achieve. Skills shortage. The UK faces a shortage of skilled workers in certain industries, such as healthcare and technology. Free movement of people. The free movement of people between the UK and EU has been a contentious issue, with some arguing it should be retained and others advocating for stricter controls. Integration challenges. The UK has struggled to integrate immigrant communities into British society, leading to concerns about social cohesion and community tensions. Windrush scandal. The UK's Windrush generation, Caribbean immigrants who were brought to the UK as children, have faced difficulties in proving their status and rights due to government errors. Racial disparities. The UK has faced criticism for its racial disparities in immigration policies, including concerns about discrimination and bias. Common themes. Economic benefits. In all three countries, immigrants are often seen as a source of economic growth, innovation, and talent. Social integration. Integrating immigrant communities into local societies is a challenge in all three countries, with concerns about language barriers, cultural differences, and access to services. Security and border control. Border security and immigration control are significant concerns in all three countries, with debates around the balance between security and human rights. Public perception. Anti-immigrant sentiment is a significant issue in all three countries, with some politicians and media outlets using anti-immigrant rhetoric to gain popularity. Both Canada and the UK have complex and nuanced issues surrounding immigration with varying challenges and controversies. Overall, each country faces unique challenges related to immigration, But there are also common themes that cut across borders. The shared challenges: integration and inclusion. The Western world has struggled to integrate immigrants into society, with concerns about language barriers, cultural differences, and social exclusion. Economic impact. These countries have debated the economic impacts of immigration, with some arguing that it benefits the economy while others argue that it puts pressure on public services. Border control and security. Western countries have faced challenges in managing their borders, including concerns about terrorism, organized crime, and human trafficking. Solutions and approaches. Inclusive policies. The US, Canada, and the UK have introduced policies aimed at promoting inclusivity and diversity, such as language training programs, cultural integration initiatives, and anti-discrimination laws. Evidence-based decision-making. Western countries have emphasized the importance of evidence-based policy-making in immigration, including the use of data and research to inform decision-making. Community engagement. Western countries have recognized the importance of community engagement and outreach in promoting integration and addressing issues related to immigration. Regional cooperation. Western countries have highlighted the importance of regional cooperation in addressing the migration issues, including collaboration with neighboring countries and international organizations. These are just a few examples of the complex issues surrounding immigration in Canada, the USA, and the UK. While there are many challenges, there are also many opportunities for cooperation, innovation, and progress. Thank you for your attention. We hope this blog has shed some light to help decide regarding your migration to the US, Canada, or the UK. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.